हेलो एवरीवन। तो अभी मैं आपसे डिस्कस करने जा रही हूँ पोइट्री ऑफ डिपार्चर के PYQ एंड ऑब्जेक्टिव क्वेश्चंस जो कि हर एग्ज़ाम्स में पूछे जाते हैं। लास्ट वीडियो में मैंने चर्च गोइंग के ऊपर ऑब्जेक्टिव क्वेश्चन एंड PYQ बनाए हैं, और अगर आपको पोइट्री ऑफ डिपार्चर्स को पहले पढ़ना है, डिटेल में उसकी समरी पढ़नी है, तो मैंने इस चैनल पे उसकी समरी भी डाल रखी है लाइन टू लाइन, तो आप वहाँ पे विजिट करके उसको देख सकते हैं। लेट्स स्टार्ट। हु इज़ द ऑथर ऑफ द पोइम पोइट्री ऑफ डिपार्चर? T.S. Eliot, फिलिप लार्किन, W.B. Yeats एंड सीमस सेन। इसका आंसर होगा फिलिप लार्किन, बी। The poem primarily explored the tension between nature, industrialization, staying in a mundane life versus the romanticized idea of living. Life and death, war and peace. इसका आंसर होगा बी, स्टेइंग इन mundane life versus the romanticized idea of living. Third question. What is the speaker's initially reaction when he hears about someone who has chucked up everything and cleared off? He is disgusting. He is indifferent. He finds it audacious and clever. He feels pity for them. He finds it audacious and clever. Answer C. Which phrase does the speaker use to describe the act of living one stable life? The Great Escape, sober as a judge, chucked up everything, a leap in the dark. इसका आंसर होगा C, chucked up everything. Larky refers to the object of a stable life. Junks, book, bad as, treasures, specially chosen junk, necessary evils, anchors of the soul, specially chosen junks. आंसर क्या होगा? स्पेशली चूजन जंक्स. The title Poetry of Departure suggests the living is often a literal necessity, a romanticized poetic myth rather than a reality, a tragic event, a religious experience. इसका आंसर होगा बी, a romanticized poetic myth rather than a reality. What does the speaker means by the line, he from the word and its ness has stepped quite clear? The person has died. The person has escaped societal expectations and routines. The person has become a monk. The person has cleared his debts. इसका आंसर होगा बी, द पर्सन हैज escaped societal expectation and routines. In the second stanza, the speaker admits that he also used the idea of living as a financial plan, way to annoy his boss, perfectly good excuse to feel superior, went for his frustration. इसका आंसर होगा डी, went for his frustration. What does the speaker describe as a cupboard mostly filled with canning? His actual kitchen, his orderly, predictable life, a ship's hold, the memory of the childhood. इसका आंसर होगा बी, his orderly, predictable life. The speaker realized that clearing off is just as much of a dash as staying. Success, disaster, style और pose and virtue. इसका आंसर होगा सी, style और pose. Larky's tone in the poem can best be described as optimistic and encouraging, ironic and self-aware, melodramatic and grieving, aggressively revolutionary. बी, आंसर होगा बी, आयरोनिक एंड सेल्फ अवेयर. What is the significance of the nut strewn road? mentions in the poem. They represent a literal harvest. They symbolize the romantic rustic life of a wanderer. They represent the obstacle of life. They are reference to a specific place in England. They symbolize the romantic rustic life of a wanderer. Answer B. The speaker notes that staying in a mundane job room is often seen as heroic, tame, and repugnant, wise and profitable. इसका आंसर होगा बी, टेम एंड repugnant. To which moment of British poetry did Philip Larkin belong? The Romantics, the Movements, the Surrealist, the Pre-Raphaelite. आंसर होगा बी, the movement poet. The phrase to step quite clear implies total detachment from social norm, seeing through a window, cleaning a room, winning a race. इसका आंसर होगा ए, total detachment from social norms. What does the speaker ultimately not leave? He is too afraid. He lacks the money. He realized that escaping is just another artificial lifestyle choice. He loves his position too much. इसका आंसर होगा सी. He realized that escaping is just another artificial lifestyle choice. What does the speaker means by the fifth sense hell? A literal religious belief, a boredom and stagnation of his current life, the smell of his room, the physical alignment. इसका आंसर होगा बी, the boredom and stagnation of his current life. The poem is written in how many stanza? 2, 3, 4, 5. इसका आंसर होगा सी, 4 stanza. What is the rhyme scheme of the stanzas? AA, BP, AB, 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 CB. The poem uses a loose slant rhyme pattern, typically AB, AB or CD, CD. Answer होगा D. The poem uses a loose slant rhyme pattern, typically AB, AB or CD, CD. Poetry of Departure was published in which collection? The North Sea, The Less Deceived, High Windows, The Whitsun Wedding. तो पब्लिश्ड बी आंसर होगा द लेस डिजिट. अगर आपको देखना है डिटेल के अंदर कि द नोट सिफ के अंदर कौन सी पोएम पब्लिश हुई थी, मतलब कलेक्शन जो है पोएम्स का, द लेस डिजिट में जो कलेक्शन है पोएम्स का उसमें कौन कौन सी पोएम है, हाई विंडो में, द विट्सन वेडिंग में, तो मैंने इस चैनल पे एक वीडियो डाल रखा है जिसमें मैंने फिलिप लार्किन की बायोग्राफी, उसके कुछ वर्क और कलेक्शन को मेंशन कर रखा है. तो आप मेरी वो वीडियो जाके देख सकते हैं. आपको पता चल जाएगा कि कौन से कलेक्शन में कौन सी पोएम पब्लिश हुई है, क्योंकि मोस्ट द एग्ज़ाम के अंदर ये क्वेश्चन पूछा जाता है कि कौन से, मतलब जैसे कुछ दे देगा, द लेस डिविस दे देगा कि इसमें कौन कौन सी पोएम पब्लिश हुई है, या फिर ये दे देगा कि इसमें कौन सी पोएम नहीं पब्लिश हुई है. तो आप इसको इम्पोर्टेंट क्वेश्चन मार्क टिक करके उसको जरूर डिटेल में देखें. थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग माई वीडियो.